because it is hot, dude. And I just drove an hour and a half to get up here, so I'm gonna hold off the wait. That sounded good. And we're gonna go to the track. Whoa. Man, this car sounds so good. But yeah, we're headed to the track right now. Got a bag of ice for the intake, and we're gonna wait a little bit, probably like 30 minutes, or until Test and Tune starts his. I'm putting my seatbelt on, but hold on. I'm filming here. But dang, sorry y'all. There is BGPD. And if y'all remember LS Fest, they were deep, dude. It was wild. But yeah, we're headed to the track. Get some runs in, Test and Tune, baby. And Streetcar Takeover. We are a little late. Gates opened up at 12 and it's 2. And I hope my cousins are still here. And Alex. But definitely lady in the little one. And it's gonna be a good day. Gonna be some nice cars. 1320's here. And a lot of other people are here. So it should be nice. So I'll see y'all at the track. Oh yeah, it is stacked. It is packed. Way more packed than it was yesterday. Oh gosh, I love this place, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. Alright, so let's go ahead and get in here. Get parts, get the car cooled off, and then we'll get some runs in, baby. Alright, we're in there. Of course, your boy got the driver's pass. It's racing, baby. But, see, they have the drifting going right there. But there's Jonathan right there. There's Z37. Bad. And then there's a Z. There's a Z. I want to get a Z so bad. Oh, I want a Z so bad. But, we're going to get parked up real quick. And then walk around and get some footage for y'all. There's some bad cars out here. Like, oh, 240. Hey! That's on my homie Devin. Oh man. There's so many nice cars out here, dude. So let me get parked up because we get some footage. Oh, it's the R1. Oh my gosh. Tripping out. Alright. Let me get parked up real quick, y'all. Let me get parked up. We're parked up. We made it. We're actually in a really good spot. And icing the car down right now because that's what we got to do. Because, like I said, that hour and a half drive, that thing is hot, and it is hot. It's so hot. So we're gonna go ahead, walk around and see some of the cars, and then get some runs in because I'm ready to see what she does. When they're doing rolls, that'll be nice. But let's see some footage. CR1 got it, 10.4, 133. Golly. Come on, baby, don't get beat by the big body. We're back. He's brought his car out. Rocket Bunny. That's 14. Thing's nice. There's a lot of cars out here to showcase. Ooh. Boosted IS. Oh, let's look at that real quick. Somebody's running. Got an On3 turbo. It's a GTE swap. And it's a stick shift car. Things looks good. It's that vet over there. Looking nice. Your little Yada. The V Coupe. Golly, such big brakes. This thing is bad, dude. Man, I love that red. It's just like the red on Ruby. The thing's clean. model, dude. Lord. Spaceship car. This is super nice. It's an auto and that one. Golly, and it's that twins. Ah, bless, dude. These things are bad. And this one right there, you got the BMR stuff on there. It's got this Pro Charger. What's going on? They always got the Brom seats too. Really look into those seats. Ah, bless. So what's marked on your dash?
I don't know. Use one of them like Armor All things for some reason. It's kind of like stay shiny.
Oh, you can go slick. Well, look at this. It's hot. It's really hot.
I'm about to take my fucking shirt off.
You better take your shirt off, bro.
Yeah. I'm about to show my titties.
There it is. I really want an 11-12 model just to do this. Oh, that's so nice. I just want an 11-12 just to make it like a twin auto drag car. This is so nice. It's so nice, dude. Man. This is what I want right here, dude. That's 14.5. You hot, bro?
Dude, I'm about to get fucking naked out here.
Let's go. He had to do it. That's a girl female. Got a nice GT 500 right here. Oh yeah, he's running.
Dude, it's about to get super nasty over here. Look at those cars running up.
Oh yeah, the pits are stacked. Pits are stacked. Oh, we got an old Berg over there. Got an old Berg. Old Berg over there. Yeah, the pits are stacked, dude. But it smells like a lot of E85 over here. Yeah, so pits are finna be. I was looking for the pits. There's gonna be a lot of cars. A lot of nice cars. There's that Datsun, that twin turbo Datsun. That's always I see him almost at every event here. That's what I want to build right there. LS swapped Fox body coupe. Oh, look at the nitrous bottle from that thing. Subi. That's old you right there. That's high school you.
Oh shit.
The green seal one.
Dude came in a wagon ready.
Nice V. V3. Dude, that's Cam.
Wait, that thing?
Yeah. Dang, it could be him, yeah. That's 22. Oh, yeah, behind him. We got the outlaw cars.
That's what I'm saying, dude. I want to see where that T8 went.
missed it. Come on, baby. Cars coming back from the streetcar cruise. Oh, wait. Ooh, 06. And it's still turbo V6. Yeah. See a TSM car. Dang. You see it in daytime. That orange really pops, and it's got the sparkles in it. I didn't realize it had sparkles in it. Hold on, let me see if I can catch it on the camera. Oh yeah, look at that sparkles, dude. Golly. Did you realize that the sparkles in it?
I did now.
Like, oh, blessed, dude. I can't wait. All right, like I said, if I get a vet, it's going to be Sebring Orange Z06. I mean, I'm not going to drop $100,000 on the ZR1, but Sebring Orange Z06. Like, it's a must. auto back in it. Damn, boy, gone. Oh, bump through. We're just going through the pits right now. Let's drive the whip. Yeah, he's been out the game a minute. Dude, did you hear last night popping how much it popped? Love the pops. We're about to do a little bit more qualifying. Man, dude, that right there is fast. It's fast. We're about to go park, watch some more racing, then it's probably about that time for us. It's very
Yeah, for all y'all on YouTube, I got a good one right here. Listen.
no nasty ass. Dang, he was right. He was coming. He was coming for him. He was coming for him. No, all you see is my teeth, bro. Oh my god. Oh, dude. All right, so we're in Alex's truck, and you can get me copyrighted, bro. And we got Smoky Bones, and it is a 45-minute wait. So we're on way here. We get some good food because food's fire, and there's actually a lot of nice cars in the parking lot. Like I'm looking at a C6, 2 new edges, MG 350. So we're about to kick it, wait here, and get some food. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed it. I did not race today because honestly, I came in real late and they were doing a roll racing, and I kind of wanted to do that. And then they started running all the classes, a Honda, it's a Accord, and they started running all the classes like together. My bad, y'all. And so, oh, he peeled out. Okay. And so, yeah, it's just I couldn't we couldn't do it. So, and I was just filming all day, getting all the cars and stuff. So what y'all saw. So like I said, hope y'all enjoyed it. Got some more stuff coming. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that car yet, and yeah, there it is. So y'all take it easy. Until next time, I'll holler. Oh, it's still on.